of the body width. Next, I'll calculate a tire radius, which is going to be 1/4 of the body length. Now you're free to play with these values and set them to whatever you'd like. Finally, I want to be able to position these tires at the corners of my plane. So I need to set an X position, which is going to be 0.5 times the body length. And my Z position is going to be 0.5 times the body width. And now, because the pivot point is set at the center of our cylinder, I need to add an additional offset, which is half of the tire width. So we're going to add 0.5 times tire width. Now, if you remember from order of operations, the multiplications will be calculated before the addition. If you want to make things a little more clear, you could add brackets around your second multiplication, but this won't change how the Z position is calculated. So now, with our dimension values and positions calculated, we're ready to create our tires. So for this, we'll be creating a front left tire, a front right tire, a rear left tire, and a rear right tire. And I'm just going to give them variable names, just FL tire for front left. And now I can call my create tire function. I'm going to pass in the name. And once again, this is so we have a nice hierarchy inside of our Miocene once the car is created. So this is going to be front left tire. And now I'm going to pass in the tire width, the tire radius, as well as the X position. Now in this case, Y will just be 0. And finally, I'm going to pass in the Z position. But because this is going to be the left tire, I need to use a negative Z position. So this is going to offset it to the left of the plane. Now I'm just going to duplicate this line 3 times to save time. If you're working in Charcoal Editor, you just have to hit Control D. And now I'm going to change my tire names to front right, rear left, and rear right. And I'll update the names accordingly.